There she is. Listen to that heartbeat. It has been a long time since anyone stood in here.
I knew you would come. The history here is too heavy to ignore.
My God, it is an original Patent-Motorwagen.
She needs a steady hand, one that respects the craft.
Every scar on this metal tells the story of the first mile ever driven.
It is ready. It belongs to the future now. The air is different today. It carries the scent of a new chapter.
We should bring her back home where it all started.
My father used this to keep the first engine turning. Now it is yours. We use that old wrench on the Benz every spring. My father taught me how to time the engine right here.
The integrity of the iron is remarkable. They built these to endure.
Let us see if the heart of this beast still beats. There she is. Listen to that heartbeat. Just a little more tension. She is holding together perfectly. A 100 years later, and the path is still the same. It is a bridge between worlds.
History never truly stops. It just waits for the next hand to turn the wheel.
You made the journey well, old friend. Let us see what the road left behind.
Time always leaves its mark, no matter how much we polish the surface. Remember, son, it is not just about the metal. It is about the breath between the parts. There. The heartbeat remains unbroken.
Ready for the next century.
One last ride to where it all began.
She is home, and she has never looked better.
You found the breath. I can feel it.
No. That tool has found its new master. Keep it for the miles ahead. It feels lighter in here now, like a weight has been lifted.
You have seen a century of work. Now for the next one.
Another soul waiting to be found.
Come on, show me. Show me what is inside.
I am keeping the promise, sir.
The story continues.
Let's try this the old way.
There you are. I knew you were still in there.
Two different worlds, same heart.
Let's put the puzzle back together.
Legacy isn't what we leave behind. It is what we keep moving.
Time to show them the result.
Right on time. The sun never lies on this road. like the day my father first bought her.
There is still one more thing in that barn that needs a steady hand. The motor wagon was just the beginning. This is the heart of the farm. This is a masterwork of engineering.
My grandfather built this when the fields were still young.
It is frozen solid. Years of dust and moisture.
Start there. That is the lock that holds the rest of her back.
We will make her breathe again, just like the motor wagon.
The past is never truly gone. It just waits for the light.